Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, in my previous video, we briefly discussed about human in the loop in CrewAI Flows, guys. Okay, so in my last class, I made one big mistake, guys. Okay, I made one big mistake in the code, guys. Okay, so I particularly want to correct the mistake, guys. Okay, don't worry, right? Okay, the mistake I have been done in CrewAI looping concept, guys. Okay, looping concept. Okay, the mistake is not happen in the HITL case. Okay, human in the feedback rate. Okay, the concept is correct, guys. Okay, human in the concept is correct, guys. Okay, the mistake I have done in the looping concept, guys. Okay, so I particularly want to correct the mistakes in this particular video, guys. Okay, so in this particular video, okay, I'm only going to correct the mistake, guys. Okay, nothing. Okay, I'm going to change. Okay, concept wise, guys. Okay, concept wise HITL and the implementation is same, guys. Okay, so in my previous video, okay, we are taking the user feedback in the console input, guys. Okay, in the same way only, guys. Okay, in the same way only we are going to take the user feedback, guys. Okay, there is nothing difference, guys. Okay, so the mistake I have been done in the looping concept, guys. Okay, so in this particular video we are going to correct the mistakes only, guys. Okay, so guys, okay, please watch the video till the end, guys. Okay, here you are going to learn some of the new concept. Okay, so in my previous video I never teach this concept, guys. Okay, so if you are watching the video till the end, okay, so you are going to learn some new concept. Okay, let's jump into the concept, guys. Okay, so if you see here, guys, okay, by default, right? Okay, by default CrewAI Flows, okay, top to bottom, guys. Okay, only once. Okay, okay, guys. Okay, it's CrewAI Flows nature, guys. Okay, you need to understand. Okay, by default CrewAI Flow nature is, okay, top to bottom approach, guys. Okay, once you kick off the flow, guys. Okay, kick off the flow, right? Okay, if you kick off the flow, right? Okay, our flow started to execute, guys. Okay, if you see here, guys, okay, just a minute, guys. Okay, let me take the pen, right? Okay, if you see here, guys, okay, this is my kick offing. Okay, in this, okay, if I flow dot kick off, okay, if I execute the cell, right? Okay, the flow gets started to execute, guys. Okay, CrewAI flow gets started to execute. Okay, this is the CrewAI flow entry point, right? Okay, entry point, step 1, step 2. Okay, approved, need revisions. Okay, if approved, end the flow, right? Okay, needs revision, we look back to this get topic again, we are regenerate the report, right? Okay, draft, right? Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, here, guys, okay, so in CrewAI, okay, CrewAI by default nature is, okay, only once, guys. Okay, only once. Okay, the flows run sequentially. Okay, fires, okay, top to bottom, guys. Okay, so if you want to again loop back to this get topic, right? Okay, in that particular case, okay, this method only get executed. Okay, other than that, okay, the remaining all the steps, guys. Okay, all the steps, okay, will not get triggered and get executed, guys. Okay, that's the disadvantage, guys. Okay, that's the disadvantage, guys. Okay, guys, okay, again I'm telling, right? Okay, if you see here, guys, okay, if you kick off the flow, right? Okay, the CrewAI flow started to execute, guys. Okay, this is the entry point, right? Okay, if, okay, generate draft. Okay, here user give the feedback. Okay, the LLM, okay, analyze the feedback. Okay, then it picks one of this option, guys. Okay, if user give positive feedback, then LLM picks one of this approved this option, guys. Okay, approved option, then ends the flow, guys. Okay, if user specifically want to add examples or add some new resources, okay, so the particular case, okay, LLM analysis, okay, it will picks this needs revision option. Okay, here, guys, okay, in the internally, okay, in my previous code, okay, if you watch my previous video, right? Okay, my previous code, right? Okay, I just call this function directly, guys. Okay, call this function directly. Okay, look back to this, okay, get topic, right? Okay, here, guys, okay, by default I believe, right? Okay, I believe again it will run top to bottom approach. Okay, but okay, the thing, okay, the thing went wrong is, okay, the first time when you kick off the flow, right? Okay, it will only get executed, guys. Okay, in the second time if you loop back, right? Okay, in the second time if you loop back again to the get topic, right? Okay, in this time this method only executed the remaining all these steps, guys. Okay, remaining all the steps, okay, it will not triggered and executed, guys. Okay, that's the disadvantage of using CrewAI, guys. Okay, guys, okay, if you don't understand, okay, if you see here, guys, okay, if you see here, right? Okay, This is okay, this is the listen guys, okay, needs revision, right? Okay, in my previous code guys, okay, in my previous code, okay, if you watch my previous video, right? Okay, in this way only I written the code, right? Okay, if you see here, okay, again I call the method guys, okay, self dot, okay, return self dot generate, okay, draft self dot state topic, right? Okay guys, okay, if you see here, okay, I am just calling the method, right? Okay, calling the method, right? Okay, just Python function call, right? Okay, flow already completed top to bottom, okay, top to bottom run, right? Okay, no even fires guys, okay, no even fires, flow doesn't restart, stop key here guys, okay, stop here, right? Okay, once you call this function, right? Okay, this function called and stop the flow guys, okay, nothing get triggered other than, okay, other than that nothing get triggered guys, okay, nothing get other than that get triggered guys, okay, that's it guys, okay guys, okay, again explaining, right? Okay, here if you see here guys, okay, if LLM picks needs revision, right? Okay, again we look back to this get topic, right? Okay, here I'm just calling guys, okay, just Python call, right? Okay, just Python call, okay, here if I call this, okay, this method only get executed guys, okay, other than that, okay, other than that the remaining steps, right? Okay, it will not trigger, it will not fired, okay, everything not happening guys, okay, by default guys, okay, by default CrewAI, okay, triggers, okay, only once, okay, top to bottom, okay, once the flow is, okay, completed, right? Okay, top to bottom, right? Okay, again if you look back, if you want to try to look back in this way, right? Okay, in this way it will fail guys, okay, it will fail, right? Okay, because CrewAI flows, okay, only top to bottom, only once only, okay, that's it guys, okay guys, if you don't understand this concept, right? Okay, just leave it guys, okay, while implementing the code, right? Okay, while implementing the code I will show you everything guys, okay, for intuition, okay, for giving intuition, right? Okay, for giving the basic intuition I'm here, I'm walkthroughing you, right? Okay, that's it guys, okay, here guys, okay, so the here it is the problem guys, okay, again if you want to look back, again it will want to trigger, for the first time it will want to trigger, again if you want to look back, okay, the second time also it will trigger, again if you want to look back, right? Okay, in the third time also it trigger all these steps, right? Okay, once, okay, max retrace hit, right? Okay, then only we ends the flow guys, okay, if you want to specifically use this technique, right? Okay, the only solution, okay, the only solution is, okay, in the start method guys, okay, in the start method you need to use this key guys, okay, this name, right? Okay, you need to specify this retry, okay, okay guys, okay, there is no any restriction, okay, you can use any name in the start method, okay, here guys, okay, if you want to look back again, okay, if you want to look back, okay, again, okay, in that particular case, okay, you need to use this start, okay, this decorated start, and then guys, okay, retrieve, okay, inside the double parenthesis, okay, you are giving this name, right? Okay, here guys, okay, you are telling, right? Okay, again you need to restart, okay, here guys, okay, flow doesn't restart, okay, if you want to again restart, right? Okay, you need to use, okay, this way only guys, okay, this is the key decided, right? Okay, if you see here, okay, at start, okay, retrieve method, okay, once, okay, if you want to look back to this, okay, again if you want to loop, okay, loop, again it will want to, if again it will trigger, okay, this, okay, this step guys, okay, again and again, okay, until the max retrace hit, right? Okay, if you want to specifically design this kind of workflow, right? Okay, then you need to use this at start guys, okay, at start parenthesis can accept a trigger name, making it both the entry point and re-entry point, okay, that's the core idea guys, okay, that's the core logic, okay, if you see here, okay, both the entry point and re-entry point, okay guys, okay, very important, right? Okay, here guys, okay, in my previous video, right? Okay, my previous code, right? Okay, I written, okay, self dot generate, okay, self dot topic, right? Okay, in this way guys, okay, just a minute guys, okay, copy this entire line, okay guys, okay, if you see here guys, okay, before, okay, in my previous code guys, okay, I'm not write any this, okay, this parenthesis, right? Okay, this name inside my start, okay, here, okay, if you want to look back, right? Okay, in my yesterday, in my previous video guys, okay, in my previous video, right? Okay, if you want to look back, okay, you can directly call this function, okay, this method, right? Okay, I can teach in this way only, guys. Okay, here guys, okay, this is wrong, guys. Okay, this is wrong, right? Okay, here guys, okay, if you call, okay, this method only get executed, guys. Okay, other than that, okay, remaining methods, remaining steps, okay, doesn't get executed, doesn't get triggered, okay, doesn't fires. Okay, that's the core idea, guys. Okay, okay, the problem is, okay, by default, okay, flows runs only once. That is also top to bottom only, guys. Okay, I hope you get it, guys. Okay, if you want to modify this approach, okay, if you want to change this approach, right, okay, then you need to use, okay, guys, okay, at start, right? Okay, at start, okay, retry, you need to give name, guys. Okay, at start retry, then guys, okay, then guys, okay, if you see here, guys, okay, here guys, okay, there needs revision, guys. Okay, there needs revision, right? Okay, needs revision. Okay, if LLM picks needs revision, right? Okay, here guys, okay, we are going to return, right? Okay, return retry. Okay, this in this way, guys. Okay, here if you see here, right? Okay, if you see here, right? Okay, if you use this technique, right? Okay, this is my entry point. Okay, this is my entry point also. Here I am using entry point, just a minute, guys. Okay, entry point and re-entry point. I hope you get it, guys. Okay, I hope you get it, right? Okay, here guys, okay, here entry point and re-entry point. Okay, if you want to look back, guys, okay, this is the only way. Okay, this is the only way you can look back to the agent, guys. Okay, again and again, right? Okay, if user not satisfied with the agent generated response, okay, if user still adding the feedback, okay, if user still giving the feedback to add some concept, right? Okay, in this way only, guys. Okay, in this way only you can design your loop concept, guys, in CrewAI Flow, guys. Okay, here if you see here, guys, okay, here if you see here, right? Okay, start, okay, at start, okay, retry, okay, again it will retry. Okay, here guys, okay, we are changing the default behavior in CrewAI, right? Okay, if you retry, okay, this method will automatically trigger. Okay, here guys, okay, here my flow is triggered again, second time also, third time also. Okay, till the max retry hit. Okay, it will get triggered again and again, guys. Okay, in this way only, guys. Okay, you need to define your logic, guys. Okay, guys, okay, if you don't understand in theory part, right? Okay, it's fine, guys. Okay, okay, it's fine, right? Okay, initially, okay, it will be difficult, right? Okay, once we jump into the code, right? Okay, you will be getting everything, guys. Okay, don't off the video and go away, guys. Okay, just keep watching the video. Okay, next one is, okay, just we are going to implement the code, guys. Okay, guys, okay, it's completely fine. Okay, if you are not getting in the theory part, right? Okay, it's completely fine, right? Okay, once we go through the code, right? Okay, you will be getting everything, guys. Okay, I swear to you, guys. Okay, just wait couple of minutes, guys. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, here, guys, if you see here, right? Okay, guys, please make sure to select your kernel, guys. Okay, guys, okay, okay, run the cell, guys. Okay, here guys, okay, if you see here, okay, all this library, guys. Okay, all this library, okay, in the previous video again and again, okay, I am teaching it to you, right? Okay, again I am not repeating the same libraries, guys. Okay, so if you haven't watched my previous video, I would highly suggest you to watch my previous video, guys. Okay, in my previous video is, right? Okay, I covered, okay, I explained each and every library, guys. Okay, guys, if you see here, okay, here I am using grok model, guys. Okay, here, okay, I need to analyze the user feedback, right? Okay, for that, okay, for the specific use case, okay, I want to use LLM. Okay, here I am using grok. Okay, the provider is grok. Okay, the model name is llama 3.3 70 billion versatile, guys. Okay, guys, okay, for your, okay, for your case, right? Okay, you can use any model, guys. Okay, based upon your accessibility. Okay, you can switch to different model, guys. Okay, you can switch to different models based upon your accessibility, guys. Okay, there is no any restriction, guys. Okay, and then, guys, okay, here I am defining, okay, identity class, guys. Okay, for getting the structured output, guys. Okay, sorry, guys. Okay, extremely sorry, guys. Okay, extremely sorry. Okay, This is my structured state guys, okay. This is my structured state, okay. Sorry guys, extremely sorry, okay. This is my structured state, okay, not for getting the structured output, right? Okay, here, okay, that specifically, okay, if you want to get structured output in CrewAI multi-agent orchestration, okay, okay, in CrewAI multi-agent orchestration, okay, we are going to define the same way for getting the structured output, right? Okay, here guys, okay, here I am defining for getting the giving the structured state to my agent, okay. That's it guys, okay. Here I am specifically defining identity class for giving the structured state to the agent, okay. That's it guys, okay. Executing cell guys, okay, executing the cell, okay, max iteration guys, okay, to avoid the recursion limit, right? Okay, otherwise, okay, again and again it will loop back, right? Okay guys, if you see here, right? Okay, same thing, right? Okay, this is my entry point, right? Okay, entry point for my code, okay. Here guys, okay, the important thing is, okay, here I'm this starting, okay, okay, this get topic, okay, I'm using entry point and re-entry point, okay. That's the core idea guys, okay. All the things guys, okay, all the things is same guys, okay, all the things is same, right? Okay, by default, okay, message, emit, LLM, okay, default outcome, right? Okay guys, okay, if you haven't watched my previous video guys, okay, in this particular video, right? Okay, in my previous video I covered briefly guys, okay, all this parameter, right? Okay, I covered briefly in my yesterday class guys, okay. I would highly suggest you to watch the previous video guys, okay. Okay, I specifically created this video for correcting the mistake guys, okay. Here all this code, right? Okay, all this code, right? Okay, in my previous video, right? Okay, I covered, right? Okay, this steps, right? Okay, this step, right? Okay, and this step, right? Okay, so again I don't want to repeat guys, okay. So if you want to understand this code, right? Okay, in my previous video, right? Okay, I covered briefly guys, okay. So watch that video first, okay, then come to this video guys, okay. If you see here, okay, the difference from this video and the previous video is, okay, in my previous video, right? Okay, I directly checking the output and, okay, in the flow guys, okay. Here guys, okay, I am using a router guys, okay, using the router guys, okay. I routed different function guys. If you see here guys, okay, pay attention guys, okay, pay focus over here, okay guys. If you see here, okay, I'm checking the result, right? Okay, result equal to approved, okay. If it is approved guys, okay, if it is approved, right? Okay, we are calling the complete, right? Okay, if you see here, okay, we are going to end the flow guys, okay. Here, okay, here I am returning complete, right? Okay, once this routing to the complete, okay. Here guys, okay, here we are using router, right? Okay, if the result is approved, right? Okay, this router routing to this complete method guys, okay, this step guys, okay, and then the flow completed guys, okay. If user wants to add any new examples, okay, concepts, okay, if user is not satisfied with the agent generated response, or if user thinks, okay, the content is not enough, okay, so if user gives feedback, right? Okay, we are going to needs revision guys, okay. Here guys, okay, for that, okay, we are going to loop back, right? Okay, for loop back, right? Okay, we are routing, okay, we are routing to the retry, okay, retry. If you see here, okay, here retry, okay guys, okay, I hope you understand guys, okay okay, all this method guys, okay, this start decorator, listen decorator, okay, at router, okay, human feedback, okay, all this concept, okay, I covered in my yesterday class, right? Okay, previous classes, right? Okay, if you haven't watched the video, right? Okay, I would highly suggest you to watch guys, okay. Here guys, okay, here I specifically created this video for correcting the mistake, right? Okay, not explaining the code guys, okay. So this is the only mistake guys, okay, in my previous video, right? Okay, I call the function, okay, self.generate draft, okay. Here guys, okay, here I correct the mistake, right? Okay, here the new thing is, okay, here I am using the router, okay, okay, if it is approved, right? Okay, if user approved, right? Okay, if user use the positive feedback, right? Okay, we are finished the, okay, we are complete the flow guys, okay. If user gives, okay, if user want to add any new feedback, new examples or resources, right? Okay, we are again, okay, we are loop back to the, okay, this start guys, okay, get topic, right? Okay, here guys, okay, again we are re-entry guys, okay, here again we are start this flow guys, okay, re-entry, okay, this is entry, re-entry, right? Okay, here the second time we are re-entering the, here again we are starting the guys, okay, again we are starting the flow guys, okay. Here in programmatic ways they are saying re-entry, okay, re-entry, right? Okay guys, again it will go through, okay, again it will run the steps sequentially one after another. Again it will ask the feedback if user, okay, again user wants to add, right? Okay, and adds if user specifically want to add any new content, right? Okay, it will loop back, right? Okay, loop back, retry, okay, this time, right? Okay, it will third time, right? Okay, it will check, right? Okay, max iteration 3, right? Okay, it will increase to 3, okay, it will check 3 greater than or equal to 3, okay, max retry exceeded, okay, and it will catch it and it will end the flow, guys. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's why here I am using max iteration equal to 3, guys. Okay, for avoiding rate limit error. Okay, otherwise, okay, if you see here, okay, if I comment out it, right? Okay, if I comment out it, okay, it will my code, right? Okay, my code may fail in some cases, guys. Okay, rate limit error, okay, again and again it will run, okay, and then finally it will throw in rate limit error, guys. Okay, to avoid, okay, to avoid in that particular cases, right? Okay, I need to use this code, guys. Okay, this couple of lines, right? Okay, if I use this code, right? Okay, I'm going to avoid this error. Okay, that's why, guys. Okay, that's why I'm using this couple of lines of code, guys. Okay, here, guys. Okay, in front of you, right? Okay, in front of you, okay, I'm executing, right? Okay, you are going to understand this concept, guys. Okay, if you see here, guys. Okay, I'm kick offing the crew, guys. Okay, guys, okay, pay focus over here, guys. Okay, guys, okay, it will start to execute, guys. Okay, initially it will take time, guys. Okay, initially it will take time. Okay, guys, okay, I hope you understand the code, guys. Okay, guys, okay, if you see here, right? Okay, for looping, right? Okay, for looping here I'm using retry. Okay, this retry, okay, here I'm triggering in the start method. Okay, guys, okay, if you see here in the top right, okay, in the top of my this Visual Studio Code, right? Okay, user ask the feedback, right? Okay, here I'm giving add new example, right? Okay, new example, guys. Okay, new examples. Okay, this is attempt 1, guys. Okay, I think, okay, this is 2, guys. Okay, this is 2, right? Okay, if you see here, right? Okay, let's check. Okay, add new examples, right? Okay, guys, okay, if you see here, right? Okay, this is my second, guys. Okay, content is not enough. Add some more contents. Guys, if you see here, this is my third time, right? Okay, this is my third time, guys. Okay, still list content, try to add some more contents. Guys, okay, if you see here, okay, all my code is finished, right? Okay, here, guys, okay, pay attention, guys. Okay, pay attention. Okay, and just go through the output, guys. Okay, guys, okay, in CrewAI, if you want to understand the code, right? Okay, the only way you need to understand is just analyze the output. That's the only way, guys. If you see here, guys, okay, what is generative AI, right? Okay, get topic completed, right? Okay, generate draft, right? Okay, running, right? Okay, generate draft completed, right? Okay, review draft running, guys. Okay, here, guys, okay, output for review, right? Okay, here, guys, okay, here, guys, okay, I'm blindly, right? Okay, I'm not checking any output, right? Okay, I'm blindly again and again I'm giving the user feedback, right? Okay, here, guys, okay, this is the first, okay, here this is the first, okay, human in the loop, right? Okay, here if you see, right? Okay, user ask the feedback, right? Okay, here I'm entering the feedback. I think I in the feedback, right, I am entering, okay, add new examples, right? Okay, this is my first feedback, this HITL, guys. Okay, if you see, right? Okay, get topic, right? Okay, completed, right? Okay, output for review, guys. Okay, this is second HITL, right? Okay, here, guys, if you see, right? Okay, what is generative AI, guys? Okay, max revision reach, right? Okay, saving last vision, right? Okay, here if you see here, guys, okay, max revisions reach it, right? Okay, this is my third time. Okay, third time if I give hit enter, right? Okay, it will check. Okay, max retry, right? Okay, 3 times I will give the feedback case. Okay, if it will check. Okay, retry is equal to max iteration, right? Okay, if greater than or equal to, right? Okay, if this condition satisfy, okay, max revisions reach it, right? Saving last version, and then I am giving the direct answer case. Okay, that's it case. Okay, I hope you get it case. Okay, I hope you get it, right? Okay, 2, right? Okay, this is my 3, right? Okay, first one case. Okay, first feedback, right? Okay, second feedback, right? Okay, third feedback. Once it will hit the third feedback, okay, it will automatically max iteration reach it, right? Okay, it will end the flow, guys. Okay, if you see get it, okay, max revisions reach saving last version. Okay, guys, remember this line, right? Okay, I will show you it. Okay, the code, right? Okay, here if you see get it, okay, max revision reach saving last version, and then okay, self.state approved. Okay, I am printing the self.state draft, guys. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, here, guys. Okay, if you see get it, okay, if you want to understand it deeply, right? Okay, again I am running the self case. Okay, if you see get it, okay, print self dot state dot, right? Okay, revision count, guys. Okay, here, guys. Okay, for understanding, right? Okay, I just count is again I am running, guys. Okay, again I am running, right? Okay, here in this time you understand, guys. Okay, here, guys, add more examples. Here if you see it, guys. Okay, if you see it, okay, count is 1, guys. Okay, count is 1. Again it will ask the feedback, guys. Okay, add more resources. If you see it, guys. Okay, here in this is my second feedback, guys. Okay, again I hit enter. Here if you see, right? Okay, count is 2. Count is still, guys. Okay, still my count is 2, right? Okay, again I am adding feedback, right? Okay, add some more content. This is my third feedback, guys. Okay, count is 3. If you see here, guys. Okay, max revision reach saving last version. What is generative E? Draft about what is generative E, guys. Okay, I hope you get it, guys. Okay, I hope you get it, guys. Guys, if you see get it, okay, my flow is running in a loop, right? Okay, if you see get it, okay, automatically retry called, right? Okay, it will again and again, right? Okay, again and again it will retry. Okay, so the problem is solved, guys. Okay, if you watch in a previous video, right? Okay, guys. Okay, just run the previous. Okay, in the previous video, right? Okay, I have given one code, right? Okay, just run this code. Okay, then you should use this code, guys. Okay, if it is possible, right? Okay, guys. Okay, if you see it, right? Okay, again I am running this, right? Okay, for this time, right? Okay, here I am giving some good feedback, right? Okay, okay, it's good. Here I satisfied. Here I satisfied the agent response. Here, guys, I am giving positive feedback, right? Okay, response. Here, guys. Okay, if you see here, okay, agent fruit immediately, right? Okay, LLM analyze the user feedback, then it will understand. Okay, pick, approve, then it will immediately finish, case. Okay, if you see here, okay, published. Okay, what is generative? That's it, case. Okay, if you see here in the, okay, in the code, right? Okay, published. Okay, print the self-stated draft. Okay, that's it, case. Okay, guys, I hope you understand the concept, right? Okay, if you see here, okay, the count is also 1, I think. Okay, so okay, directly if you see here, okay, okay, it will not execute the remaining code, right? Okay, once this condition satisfied, right? Okay, okay, it will not execute, it will skip all the other codes, right? Okay, once this condition is satisfied, right? Okay, it will immediately return the this complete method. Okay, it will, and then guys, okay, if you see here remaining code, it will not execute, guys. Okay, remaining code it will skip. Okay, this code straight away it execute and finishes the flow, guys. Okay guys, so I hope you understand this concept, guys. Okay guys, okay, if you want to loop again and again, right? Okay, loop back to, if you want to apply this, okay, this loop concept into CrewAI Flow, right? Okay, in this way only, guys. Okay, this is the only possible way you need to use looping concept in your looping concept in your flows, guys. Okay, so guys, okay, if you still understand, if you still complex to come, if you still feel complex to understand this code, guys, okay, then again rewind the video, guys. Okay, again rewatch the video. Okay, I hope you get it, guys. Okay, once you run by yourself, right? Okay, then you will understand by yourself, guys. Okay guys, okay, and also watch my previous video, guys. Okay, it will also help you to understand this code, guys. Okay, thank you for watching the video, guys.